Hello, this is Dr. 3 Guy. This is my entry for the Hydra hackathon. I built backstory for this, and if you ask me why, ask most AI assistants something you told them last week, last month, and it's already gone, summarized away, or just dropped out of context. That's the problem I built backstory to fix. A memory layer for AI agents that actually remembers, not as a transcript, but as real fact, stored in a graph on HydraDB. This is our landing page walkthrough. This is what actually answers. You get to see images, samples of things we've done or backstory can do. Every message becomes graph facts, not just tokens in a transcript. So all you do is you say what you want, you say it, HydraDB keeps it, you ask later, and then it gives you back what you asked for. Now, okay, we also have samples, 4 ways long-term memory actually get tested. We'll be testing a few things, these memories, change plans, know when it doesn't know, and all. So we also answer a few of your questions you might have, the things worth asking first. What does it do when it does not know? Is the memory private to me? Why grab database rather than vector and all that? So let's get to test something. Let's get to test this changed plans. Okay, so watch this. 3 conversations, real conversations, 4 months apart. In February, I say I work at company A. In May, I leave that job. In June, I join company B. Ask where I work now, as you can see, and it says company B. Here's the part I actually care about. Though company A didn't get erased, it's still on record, dated, marked as replaced. That's not a rule getting overwritten. That's a graph, remembering something that used to be true. Also, backstory, it also knows when it doesn't know. So just knows when it doesn't know. So let's try that out as well. So here is the harder one. Memory holds a 16 gig staging box and a 32 gig production box. I ask about a 64 gig instance, a size that was never mentioned. Most systems would grab the closest match and answer anyway, but backstory won't. It says it doesn't know because that rule is built into the engine, not the model being polite. And we have this also, one more, 4 conversations, a plan for MongoDB, a switch to Postgres, later a separate note that billing needs strong consistency, then a standard on Postgres. Ask why we chose Postgres and it answers, even though the reason and decision were never in the same conversation. It followed the chain. All of this runs on HydraDB. It's not for decoration. It's the whole reason any of this works. Every person, fact, and session is a node. A replaced fact is an edge. A contradiction is an edge too. Answering a question means working that graph, not searching for similar text. We run the open source HydraDB image ourselves, in Docker locally and on fly in production. A small SQLite file sits next to it, but it only hands out IDs. It never gets to answer anything. Building against the real repo taught us fast. Its cipher is a subset, no is null, no undirected matches, and it expects object storage, not a local disk. So production runs on S3 compatible storage. Swap this for a vector database and you lose the one thing that matters. Current versus history. Backstory is live right now at backstory.fly.dev and you can check it out. Thank you for watching.